Hello friends, we are going to make 10 flashcards of animal smileys with animal drawn at the back of your cards. First, cut card by different color chart paper of equal size 3 by 5 inches or 5 by 7 inches. Make outer design or border which you like to make it attractive. Now draw and color emoji of different animals like bear, monkey, elephant, cat, tiger, chick, panda, rat, dog, and pig. Now on the other side of card, make that animal which animal's emoji was in front of that card and color it like bear, monkey, elephant, cat, tiger, chick, panda, rat, dog, and pig. Thank you. Hope you liked the video.